Well, good morning, world. Wherever you at around the world, international, wherever you guys at, probably still morning or probably still evening, wherever you guys at. But this is my morning breakfast. Merry Christmas to you all. December the 25th, 2024. Yes, this is my morning breakfast. Don't that look good, you guys? I know. And I got my little Christmas coffee cup with my coffee in. Boy, that looks so delicious, you guys. I know. So this is my morning breakfast. And I just thank the Lord. The Lord woke me up this morning to see another Christmas Day. Hope you guys have a Merry Christmas and enjoy your family and friends. Yes, yes, yes. So I just want to come back to show you guys. And these right here, last night when I was recording, I know I kept saying New Year's Eve, and I said, okay, whatever. But this time, I just kind of, let people know my mistake that I made. I didn't mean to say New Year's Eve. I meant to say Christmas Eve last night. Um, on Christmas Eve 2024 when I have a lot of hors d'oeuvre. And this is some leftover hors d'oeuvre. And I just had it with my breakfast, you guys. Good choice, right? So yeah, it's not gonna be a long video, you know. I just want to come back to show you guys and wish you guys happy Merry Christmas. This is what I used to drink with my breakfast as well. But yeah. So yeah. So I just only had croissant with the sausage and egg. I didn't want no cheese on it. You know what? Because I got cheese here, if you know what I mean. Okay, you guys, and I'm going to get out of here. I don't know. I usually always open my, when all my kids and stuff come over, I always like to open my gift and eat dinner and stuff. So I don't know if I do record, I always like to record, just put on my hard drive, if you know what I mean. Yeah. But till then, like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family to show them what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if this is your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below if you have any question. Thumb this video up. I really appreciate it. Yeah, thumbs with that. I really appreciate it. And if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, just make sure you guys keep your notification bell on and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. And by that being said, you guys have a blessed day and be safe. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. Bye bye. And again, Merry Christmas. And again, I'm going to say Happy New Year's. That's next week, 2024. Because if I don't see you guys next year, I'm saying it now. Especially, on my platform, on my YouTube platform. Okay? Bye-bye. Enjoy and be safe, you guys. Please be safe. If you guys traveling, to your if you guys traveling, just be safe and be positive and be happy and always have a smile on your face. Okay, until then, if I don't see you guys next week, I will see you guys next year, 2025. Bye-bye. God bless.